Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I will show you how to make body cream at home. Before we go into the production proper, let's go through the safety precautions you need to take as you do this production. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Now let's go through the list of chemicals needed for the production of body cream. These are stearic acid, crude wax, cetyl alcohol, honey, borax, petroleum jelly, paraffin oil, glycerin, vitamin E, color pigment, perfume, and sodium benzoate. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 5 liters of body cream. Stearic acid 100 gram, crude wax 75 gram, cetyl alcohol 50 gram, honey 3 tablespoons, borax 50 gram, petroleum jelly 50 gram, paraffin oil 50 ml, glycerin 30 ml, vitamin E 50 ml, color a teaspoon, perfume 40 ml, and sodium benzoate a teaspoon. Now let me show you the materials one by one and then we go into the mixing properly. This one here is stearic acid and this is called crude wax. This is cetyl alcohol and this is honey. This one is borax and this is petroleum jelly. This is paraffin oil and this is glycerin. This is vitamin E. And this is the color we're going to use. This is perfume and our preservative here is sodium benzoate. Now let's go into the mixing of the chemicals properly. Step 1. Boil about 4 liters of water and then add your borax to it. Stir it very well and keep it aside. And now let's move to step 2. Put your pot on the fire and allow it to dry off any water in it. Then add the following to the pot: crude wax, stearic acid, and cetyl alcohol. Allow the pot content to melt completely. You can stir it to make the melting process faster. Now also add the following to it: petroleum jelly, paraffin oil, glycerin, and vitamin E. Now after all the chemicals have melted, you can put up the fire or you can bring the pot down from fire. Step 3. Now bring the borax solution you prepared in step 1 and add benzoate to it and stir it properly. Now add the borax solution to the melted pot content in step 2. Stir it properly and allow it to cool down for about 1.5 hours. You can now add your perfume, your color, and your honey. In my own case here, I love this white color. I'm not going to use any color here. I'm going to go with this immaculate white color here. Stir properly to ensure that all ingredients are mixed homogeneously. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your body cream is ready. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng, or you can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.